Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are returning once again to the wonderful world of American Girl doll. I was sitting on my laptop, again, bored as one gets occasionally, and I ended up on the American Girl doll website again. And this time, the girl who caught my eye was Maryellen Larkin, a historical girl from 1954. Now, I purchased Maryellen from Amazon for $121, but I purchased her from a third-party seller, and they had pretty good reviews, so I thought I would take the risk. But even so, I'm always hesitant to buy from a third party when there's an official store on Amazon. So let's have a look at her and see how she looks. Overall, I was extremely pleased with the way she was packaged and sealed. Her box had some extra tape on it, and her limbs were all secure with rubber bands. First impressions, the outfit is absolutely precious, as is the hair. And the colors of her dress actually sort of match my YouTube theme colors. So that was a happy accident. Her face is also adorable. Warning for flash use in a second. There, I wanted to show you how gorgeous her eye color is. And aside from her book, in her box, or on her body technically, is her dress, her shoes, her sweater, and a pair of underwear. Now, because I bought her from a third party, and I know she was released in, I believe, 2014, I was mildly worried that she was old. So, her leg is a bit loose. The stringing is a bit loose, but other than that, there are no visible stains on her body. Everything else is in perfect condition. My favorite of Maryellen's other outfits is definitely her sledding outfit, so that is next on my list of Maryellen purchases. And here is our new girl with my 22-year-old custom girl Rebecca, who just got home from a trip to the doll hospital to fix her wonky limbs, and they are absolutely adorable. Now, final thoughts. I am very happy with Maryellen. I think she's adorable. I partially picked her because she's the doll for my mother's decade, so I thought it would be cute to have my mom's decade doll in my house. And next on my shopping list, because I can't stop thinking about how absolutely adorable her and all of her outfits are Miss Claudie. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.